So here we are. This is it. This is the place where the legendary movie took place, Scarface, 1984, with Al Pacino. And this is the street where Tony Montana came in to make the drug deal at the beach, at the Carlisle. But the Carlisle changed its name to CVS. And now we're going to that hotel to see the place where he tried to make the deal with the Colombians and ended up in the shower. So this is the famous Ocean Drive, almost just as famous as the Sunset Boulevard. This is the place where many came with a car, stopped at the traffic light, and turn all the way around here and stopped right there. I'm gonna have to show you the front of the CVS. He made a U-turn here on the street, and here's the place where Tony Montana shot the Colombian. And in a few seconds I'm going to enter the building where the scene with the chainsaw took place. So here it is right now. I'm going to cross the street and approach the sign with a movie of Tony Montana, which is in fact legendary. Right there you can see already the stairs up to the place where Tony went, which is locked. And there is no trespassing, as you can see. Nobody's authorized to trespass this place. This is the place where it took place. You see up on the second floor, that's where it was, but we are not allowed to go in. I'm gonna show you the sign right here. This is it. This is the actual staircase that was used in the filming of the 1983 classic movie Scarface, starring Al Pacino, Stephen Bauer, Mary Elizabeth, Mastrantonio, and then Michelle Pfeiffer. This scene depicts the Chainsaw Massacre and is a world-famous Hollywood landmark. Yes! This is the place. So I've entered the building, and today is just a store with some odd items, but the apartment was on the second floor. This is the first floor, and I think on the second floor there are still maybe people living, but it's great to be here, so close to the history where it was written. So right here in this place is exactly the place where Tony shot the Colombian, right here in front. It's just crazy how many people keep talking about this movie. Just incredible. Even though in fact it was having some sort of negative energy because it was all about drugs and all the crazy stuff, but yeah, still loving it because Tony Montana was so real, a man who stick to his words and his balls, that I had to name my son after him, Don Antonio. That's how the story began.